Okay, so I was expecting more students, but well, we can start with the ones I have in here. I'm going to share the screen and we can start with a review. Remember next week, we will only have one class of the two we usually have. And one of them is to do the exam. We're gonna have the exam on Tuesday. This time is going to be different because every single evaluation week, we have the exam the last day of class, which is on Thursday. But for this time, only for this time, because it is literally the last week, we're gonna have the exam on Tuesday. So I will be able to have your grades before the weekends. And probably on Thursday, yeah, on Thursday will be enough, I guess. By Thursday, I will be giving you your final grades. Remember, for this time, it's having the final grade of the third evaluation. And also I will grade with the other two evaluations we had before for you to have a fourth grade, okay? Well, with not else to say, let's start with the review of the unit 9, which is the unit that is going to be evaluated. And we're going to start with these adjectives. And it says, what are the adjectives? Add the vowels and then match them with their opposites. Okay, so what are we going to do here? First of all, we are going to, let's say, complete the adjectives we have in this row. And once we complete them, we are going to match them to their opposite. So let's start. What is that hidden adjective in number 1?
Slow.
Slow, very good.
Slow.
Okay, what is the second adjective hidden here? It's related with contamination.
Polluting. No sé cómo se diga.
Polluting. Polluting.
Ah, okay.
What is the number 3?
Dangerous.
Dangerous, very good. What about number 4?
Difficult.
Difficult.
Good.
Difficult.
Number 5?
Healthy.
The opposite?
I say unhealthy.
Okay, good, unhealthy. Number 6?
Unhealthy.
Convenient. Okay. And the last one?
Uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable. Very good. Okay, now before we share the answers for this other part of the exercise, I will ask you to please write down this list. Write the list of the adjectives we have just answered together, and then write next to the adjective their opposite, okay? I will give you 5 minutes, maybe it's enough for you to write down the adjectives, that the ones that I have here in red, and then next to the adjective, write the opposite adjective, okay? Let me know when you are done. Did you finish?
Yes.
Okay, good. Well, while the rest of you finish, let me just real quick take attendance. Acosta Navarro. Andalón Insunza.
Here.
Angulo Espinosa.
Here, teacher.
Cabrera Caño. Cedillo Ibarra.
Here.
Escarrega Alcántar. Espinosa Podaca.
Here.
Okay. Juárez Romero. Llano Medina. Magaña Burgueño. Meras Robles. Montaño Morales. Okay.
Meras acaba de decir presente desde el chat.
Thank you, I already saw. Noriega Torres. Sala Cervantes. Sánchez Archuleta.
Person.
And Tequida Vega.
Here.
Okay, thank you. Now, let's go and match this exercise. So tell me, guys, what is the opposite of slow?
Fast.
Fast, very good. The opposite of polluting?
Green.
Green, very good. Dangerous, the opposite of dangerous is?
Safe.
Good. The opposite of difficult?
Easy.
Easy.
Easy, good job. The opposite of unhealthy?
Healthy.
Healthy.
Healthy. Of convenient?
Inconvenient.
Good.
Convenient.
And the opposite of uncomfortable?
Comfortable.
Comfortable, very good. Okay, good job. I will erase this and scroll it down so we can continue. Now it says, which adjective from exercise 1A could you use to talk about? Okay, now you don't have to write this, it's just practicing, okay? I'm gonna read this and you're gonna tell me what adjectives could fit or could describe this, okay? For example, which of the adjectives that were in the previous exercise could describe a supermarket and a small local shop? Which of the adjectives from the previous exercise could describe a supermarket and a small local shop?
¿Qué tienen de diferencia? Como profe, no entiendo.
No, you need to choose two of the adjectives from this exercise we just answered. And tell me which two adjectives could describe a supermarket and a small local shop.
I don't know. Comfortable.
Comfortable?
Sí,
Mm,
no sé.
what about convenient? Maybe that a convenience store. Okay. Well, let's go to the. Okay. Well, a supermarket and a small local shops could be convenient and inconvenient, maybe. Number two, watching a movie at home is, which of the adjectives could fit?
Easy.
Easy, okay. And watching a movie at a theater?
Comfortable.
Comfortable, okay. A train could be, a train in a car could be?
Fast.
Fast, okay. What else? Train in a car.
Slow.
Slow, could be.
Tal vez porque, no sé, pues que un tren sea más rápido que un carro, no sé.
Okay, and also they are very known because of the what? The opposite of green.
Polluting
Polluting.
also can be dangerous. Even the train and a car. So
Yeah. And at the same time, they could be safe.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just sharing. That's why I didn't ask you to write anything. Okay, number 4. Mineral water and tap water could be
Healthy.
healthy. Okay. They could be healthy. Texting and phoning.
Easy, fast.
Easy and fast. I agree. Very good. And also comfortable maybe, right? Because I mean, you don't have to
Uh-huh.
get to go with the person or something like that in order to get in touch. Okay, now let's go with can, can't, have to, and don't have to. Remember, that is very different to say that you can do something and that you have to do something. It is more of obligation if you say that you have to do something, and can is just showing the ability or telling you what you're able to do, right? Well, basically the same. And it is also very different to say that you can't do something or that you don't have to do something. Because even though in their affirmative versions, in their positive versions, they may be opposite, in the negative ones, they are different. Can't means that it is something prohibited, that is something not allowed. And don't have to means that it's something that if you want to do it, it's okay, but if you don't do it, nothing happens. Okay, well, it says in here, complete the rules with the correct alternatives. You have to choose between can, don't have, can or have to, and can, don't have to, etc. Look at the words in bold. In a library, on a plane, at home. So try to imagine these situations in these places and then decide if you're gonna use can, don't have to, or can, okay? What are you gonna do? So just write down the in the library, and then 1 and 2, just write down the answer you chose, and then we're gonna share, okay?
Okay.
Miss, sorry, se me trabó. Vamos a escribirlos.
We're just gonna answer this exercise 2A.
The two, okay, thank you.
Did you finish?
Not yet.
Okay, 2 more minutes.
Miss, what does seatbelt mean?
Seat belt is what you use when you are in your car.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Okay, let's go and check the answers because we still have more exercises to do. If you haven't finished, we can all finish together. Okay, so in the first one, it says, in library, you can't talk on your cell phone or you don't have to talk on your cell phone.
You can't.
You can't, right? Very good. Number 2, you can't pay for a book before you take it out, or you don't have to pay for a book before you take it out.
You don't have.
Don't.
You don't have, very good. On a plane, you can wear a seatbelt when the plane takes off, or you have to wear a seatbelt when the plane takes off.
Have to.
You have to, very good.
Desgraciadamente, pero sí.
Next one, you can't smoke or you don't have to smoke.
Can't.
You can't, very good. Now let's talk about home. At home, you can relax or you have to relax.
Can.
You can. Number 6, you can't pay to eat or you don't have to pay to eat.
Espera que alguien nos conteste.
Don't have
Don't
to
have
pay to it.
Don't have to. Very good. Okay. Any question about this?
I don't think so.
No.
Okay,
No question.
thank you. Now it says in here, choose 3 of the places below and write 2 sentences for each place. Use can, can't, have to, or don't have to. Instead of 6, it says in here, choose 3 places, right? Okay, so you're gonna choose again 3 places of here, a restaurant, a classroom, a beach, movie theater, hospital, or friend's house. And you're gonna write 2 sentences for each, okay? So choose 3 places and write 2 sentences for each. One with can, I mean, it could be with can, don't have to, can, or have to. For example, in a restaurant, you have to pay for your food. That is an example, okay? So 2 sentences for 3 different places, okay? 2 sentences each. Did you finish? Okay, 1 more minute. Okay, did someone finish already? Karime, did you finish?
No.
Okay, let's work with one of them. Let's keep it in one for the review, but and you can finish the three of them like when you upload it, okay? So Karima, tell me one place that you have already finished. That's the sentences.
Es que no sé si estoy bien, era como que una explicación del restaurante, por ejemplo.
No explicación, it was just to read, for example, a restaurant. In a restaurant, you can't, no, you have to, sorry. In a restaurant, you have to pay for your food. Make sentence.
Ah, ok. Ok, entonces,
Choose
you
one.
can,
But choose one, which one?
you have a food in the restaurant.
Okay, well, you have food in the restaurant is one thing. But remember, we're using you have to, and have to means the things that are like obligation.
Mm. Mm.
Okay, I'm gonna go with someone else and then I'll go back with you, okay? Alba, tell me one of the places you chose.
In a beach, you
Okay,
can
at the beach, what do you have to do or can't or have to or whatever?
you can relax, taking the sun.
You can relax, okay, very good. Another one?
You have to bring your own food.
You have to bring your own food. Okay, very good. Gracie, tell me another place. So,
Okay. In the classroom, you have to put attention.
very good, you have to pay attention. Another one?
In a restaurant, you have to pay for your food. Pero usted lo dijo. In a beach, you can use bikini.
Very good, you can use bikini. Excellent. Cristina, give me 2 examples, please.
Teacher, aún no los he hecho, es que estoy en el trabajo, estoy un poquito ocupada.
Okay, Shara.
Aquí estoy.
Okay.
¿Me va a ayudar?
Okay.
In a hospital, I can... ¿cómo se dice recibir?
Receive.
Receive attention.
Okay. I can receive attention. Very good. Another one.
In movie theater, I can eat popcorn.
Very good. I can eat popcorn. Good. Hector, give me 2 more examples. Are you there?
Miss, se supone
Yeah.
que Héctor anda por aquí, pero pues ya ve que le dijo presenta por el chat.
So that's why I actually opened the chat to see if he wrote something, but he hasn't. Okay, Arturo, give me 2 examples, please.
Es que vengo llegando al baño, no sé qué están haciendo, ¿me podría decir?
You have to make 2 sentences choosing one of these places with have to, don't have to, can't, or can. Wilfrido, are you there? Anthony, are you there?
No, mis 2 minutos.
Huh?
Ya no terminó.
Okay, Karime, can you help me?
A friend house, you can talk with your friend.
Okay, you can talk with your friends. And another one.
Good morning, Miss.
Morning.
Miss, sorry, es que no tenía luz. No había luz aquí en mi casa, va llegando y no había internet.
Okay. Karime, one more.
Pues es que ya dijeron todas, teacher.
Ay.
No me faltaba eso.
No, actually not. Maybe you can say, nobody has said that in the movie theater you can watch a movie. But well, I said it. Okay. Well, finish this exercise to upload, okay? Now it says transportation collocations. Here it says, write 3 different types of transportations. With one is enough for me. For example, you can ride a bike. Let's add one more because this one is the example. What else can you ride?
A horse.
A horse, very good. You can ride a horse. Now take, what can you take?
A bus.
Take a bus. What else?
A train.
Take a train, okay. You get on or get off of where?
A car.
Get on the car, very good. You can get into and out of where?
A plane.
A plane, very good. And you can go by?
Ship.
You can go by ship. Actually, every transportation type fits this because it is specifying the way you're going somewhere. Oh, I'll go by car, I'll go by bus, I'll go by train. So by is
By
showing
food.
Puede ser taxi.
on foot, sería on foot. Si hablamos de caminar, sería on foot. I go on foot. Si
Miren en dos patas.
yes. Y así hablo de transportes, yes. Go by car, go by bus, go by train, go by etc. But
By plane.
on foot. Ok. Bueno, se me va a acabar la sesión. Vamos a regresar rapidito para terminar, ¿ok?